Because of our south-facing atrium roof, we actually are a prime location for harnessing the power of the sun. This year, we underwent an installation for Canada's largest building-integrated solar photovoltaic installation. Our new solar installation that is actually up and running this year was really innovative in design. The solar cells, unlike a traditional solar panel, are actually sandwiched between two pieces of glass, so it allows natural light to permeate through the glass, even though we're generating energy at the same spot. So we have been a convention center for 36 years here, but long before that, we're actually a meeting place for Indigenous people. We're a stop on the Hudson's Bay fur trading route. Some of the things that we have as options for our clients on the Responsible Events program are things like participating in our 100% plant-based menu. They can also opt to use 100% recyclable signage options through our in-house supplier. They can also opt to carbon offset some or all of their event. And we're finding that that's been a much more popular option in recent years, with people being just more savvy about carbon emissions and reducing their own event footprint. So here is one of our largest spaces at the convention center. You can imagine the types of events we can host in a space this big, but this gives you an idea of just the sheer space that we have to heat and cool and light, and the amount of people that we can host in a room of this size.
We don't know what is right just yet, only that we ought to extend the first step in change. And change happens by changing something. And by us placing it as a priority in our own business model, we enable not only ourselves, but our clients to support those initiatives that could improve their own events and our environment. If a venue our size can promote sustainability, make sustainability a priority, then anyone can.
We wanted to jump in and lead the way and be the people who can create that change in the industry. Everything that we do around sustainability is about eliminating greenhouse gas emissions, but it's also about helping our industry to move forward, to inspire change and to just create a more sustainable events industry all around.